Hey there, family. I felt to record a video in this moment because just feeling really blown wide open, just feeling my heart really blown open in this moment. Yeah, just had a beautiful conversation with a friend and I cried a fair bit. And gosh, when those tears come, they're just like medicine for my soul, medicine for my heart and soul. It's like the tears are holy water, the waters of life, and it's like I feel them raining down into the parts of my heart that are dry and desert like, and it's just like a much needed rain that turns the desert into a fertile soil, and the garden the Garden of Eden is allowed to blossom once again. And there's just this feeling of fullness, there's this feeling of connection, there's this feeling of the presence of Christ. For me, it's Christ. For others, it might be something else, you know. I also associate it with Sri Anandamayi Ma because I've had experienced massive heart openings in relation to the wonderful, beautiful personage of Anandamayi Ma. And when I feel that love, when I feel that grace in the heart, it just feels like the realest thing that I can imagine. It just makes me want to tell you that I love you. I love you, and I'm sorry that I can't always be there for you in the way that I wish I could. I'm sorry that this world is the way it is. Sometimes I'm sorry about that. You know, I'm not always feeling like this world is perfect or something. You know, there may be some inherent wholeness or perfection to this world, but this world is also so full of suffering on the human level. It's so broken in so many ways. It stabs black spikes through all of our hearts in one way or another if we are here for a long enough time, it seems. And just feeling the love for Christ in the background here. And yeah, I just feel for you. I just feel for all of us. I just feel compassion for all of us going through this world. You know, we're in this together. That's such a beautiful thing. You know, we're not taking these journeys alone, and we're not taking them purely for ourselves. You know, in a profound sense, life is not about me. Life is not about you. Life is about us walking each other home, as Ram Dass put it. You know, that is a great blessing of being in the carnal ground, the cemetery, the wasteland, the opportunity to band together and form real bonds, real relations, and really depend on each other and help each other and notice our fundamental interdependence with each other and open our hearts to each other and actually need help and admit that we need help and ask for that help. You know, there are gifts hidden in the mud. There's gifts hidden in the suffering. If you think about a painting, if you think of this world like a painting, You can perhaps see that the painting is more dynamic and more interesting and more profound in a way due to the contrast, due to the contrasting dance of dark and light, or what seems to be dark and what seems to be light. You know, if we were all just holding hands in a circle, singing Kumbaya for all of eternity, it might get a little boring. And at some point we might say, hey, maybe let's play a different game. Maybe let's dream a different dream and see what it's like to forget this for a while. Let's see what it's like to experience separation for a while and forget love, forget home, and find our way back and go through a harrowing tooth and nail wild adventure of a story to find our way back to the home we never truly left in our heart of hearts. Always, we are already at rest with the Father and with the Christ, with Jesus Christ. In our heart of hearts, with the heart of the Goddess, the heart of the Mother. That is my heart's deepest intuition. That is our home. That is our eternal home. My heart, when the heart cracks open like this, that's when I'm inclined to use the most devotional language and, express that our souls rest with the Father. The Father, the Mother, is our truest nature and is eternal and is beyond death, beyond everything, and also here right now, closer than our bones. And we are children of the Father, children of the Mother, and one with the Father, one with the Mother, and we will live with them, as them, forever. That is what my heart tells me when the tears pour forth, when the waters of life touch the heart and grace is felt. There's just a feeling that we are held beyond our wildest dreams. Beyond our wildest dreams we're held, and whatever the heck is going to happen, we can fully trust it. We can fully trust it. We can trust this love that is known by the heart. We can trust this love that is known by the heart. Yes, we can. So, thank you for listening, brothers and sisters. I love you. I do in my heart of hearts. I really love you like you're my own mother, my own father, my own son or daughter, my own brother or sister. I love you. I'm glad you're here. I'm here for you. Let's walk each other home. Let's walk each other home. Let's all walk each other home. Let's give the purest love to the least among us. As Christ said, what you do for the least among you, this you also do for me. For the most forgotten, the most demonized, the most contorted with suffering and violence, the most hateful, the most crooked among us and within us, they are most in need of Christ's love. They are most in need of the unconditional love of the heart of hearts, the heart of God. So may we pour forth that fountain of everlasting life, this everlasting life here now. I feel it. This is life right here and now. This is the one life. This is the one eternal life. We can trust it. We can rest. Let yourself rest as that life, as a child of that life. Let yourself rest. I love you. Thank you. Take good care. Much peace, my friend. Much peace. Peace be with you. May we go in peace to love and serve the Lord. Thanks be to God.